Okay guys, another Sprinter video. In this video, we're going to be replacing this module right here. Reason being, let me demonstrate. Ignition on, whatever, not important. Put the window down, right, it goes down, right? It doesn't see that. I'm pulling up and it doesn't want to go up. You have to give it a few taps. Right now it's working, but take it down, lift up, and it doesn't want to go up. And this one, doesn't matter which way you push. Down, pushing down, window goes down. Pulling up, window goes down. That's a problem. Let's fix that. And there we go. Out with the old, in with the new, and we have confirmed that the new one does work indeed. Turning that on, you can see window closes, and we see pulling up closes the other window. Cool guys, hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.